it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I was not planning to film this right now, so I am in my pajamas. I'm ready to go to sleep, but I was like, no, I know you guys are gonna be as excited as I am to see what is inside these amazing boxes that you receive when you have tickets to Taylor. These are, for reference as well, the Australian VIP boxes. So I'm going to one of the Sydney shows and I absolutely cannot wait. So getting straight into it, because this is why you're here. This is the box that it comes in. So it is quite large, which I really like, and it has obviously all the ERAS on it. So cool. Really nice quality as well. So yes, I have actually opened this, so it doesn't look completely as pretty. So when you open it, you have this little folder here, and then that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go through all of it. So in the folder, we have a lot of pictures of her. So we have ERAS tour, then we have, again, says the ERAS tour. I hope these are showing up. They're just like in a thick cardboard, but they're really nice. Like, they are really good quality in my opinion. So that one, and then this one as well. So that's what is in that. Also, the inside lid of the box also has pictures of her, which I love. So again, this is the inside of the box. So up the top we have the tote bag. I actually really like these bags. I use them all the time, so I definitely will be using this. And then that is just the bag. So it just says Taylor Swift, the ERAS Tour VIP. Then let's go with this little one here. So this is just a plain little box. Inside we have like a lanyard, holographic lanyard type situation. That's what that looks like. It's changing. And then we just have the lanyard strap. So it just says Taylor Swift, the ERAS Tour, and also VIP. I'm not going to open it because I'm not sure if I want to yet, or like re-gift this. I'm not sure. So that is that one. And then the last little box that you receive here is, again, so we just have the ERAS Tour, and then this one is hard to open. This is really nice quality, this box as well. So in the top we have a pin. This, again, really nice quality. It is quite heavy, which I like. Just dropped it. So here, hopefully that is a better look and that's focusing, hopefully. And then we get a little, what would you call this? Like pocket envelope. It's VIP on the back. And then it has just like a fake commemorative ticket. And then it says VIP on the back. I think personally these are nice, but I don't know if you need it. Okay, so this is a sticker, I just confirmed. So yes, an actual sticker, not just a piece of cardboard. And then in the bottom, there's just a heap of postcards. So I will go through them with you. We have that one, that one, that one, that one. Also, the backs are all the same, so this is what the back looks like. That one, that one, that one. Sorry if I've just covered a few of the pictures. That one, so it's just all the different eras, I guess. That one, and that is the very last one. So that is everything that you get in the VIP boxes. If you're in Australia and you're waiting for yours, I think these are all the same for all the VIP packages from what I understand. But yeah, really, really cool. I love like little merchandise things like this. So yeah, I think it's a nice added touch if you are, you know, purchasing VIP packages. You're obviously paying that little bit extra. So it, as I said, it's not necessary for them to give you this much, but it's nice that they do. So let me know if you are going to the Taylor Swift concert. I would love to hear from you guys. If you haven't got tickets, I hope you get tickets, because I do think it is going to be an amazing concert and I am so excited. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this, if you are getting one as well, if it's arrived yet, and what you think of it. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye. And again, I'm so sorry I'm in my pajamas ready to go to sleep, but I had to film this video. Bye.